Good morning. It is the next day. It's about to turn 8 a.m. Got a little bit of a later start today. Needed it. Needed that sleep. It's a beautiful day. There's barely any clouds in the sky. It's sunny. It's a little cold, but ready to start our day on Trail Ridge Road. So Trail Ridge Road is a really long, really high road. And the last time we were here, we came in April 2017. 2017. We couldn't finish Trail Ridge Road because it was completely like walled off in snow, so there was like a point where we couldn't get past safely. So today we're going to do Trail Ridge Road. If we exit the park to go to Grand Lake and see the town and do all the stuff at Grand Lake, like Adams Falls and other things, then we won't be able to enter the park because of the park entrance rules until 3 p.m. So we're going to spend a lot of time on Trail Ridge Road today. I don't know if we're going to be at Grand Lake till 3 p.m. and that would make sense. If it doesn't make sense, we might just stop before we exit the park and drive the road back. So today is going to be all about alpine views, and it's going to be beautiful. Literally just hiked into a cloud. We're like in it, in the cloud. have made it to the Alpine Visitor Center. We're at like 12,000 feet, or at least we just hiked to 12,000 feet. We just did a 225 stair trail up the fucking side of a mountain to the top of a mountain. We're just above the clouds and it's beautiful. I was so out of breath on that trail, but so worth it, so beautiful. All the trails that we've been doing today are pretty like mildly easy, but sorry about my burp, I just ate. But you're so high up, you just get so out of breath so easy. I keep burping, so that's the thing. Anyways, like I said, I just ate. We went inside to the cafe and I got room temperature sweet potato fries, and I got to try elk. There was elk bratwurst, which is pretty good. Now we're gonna go down the mountain to the other side, and I guess, what time is it? I guess we'll be able to hit Grand Lake. We'll see.
Taxidermy shop. This is where Papa Holsworth would create taxidermy. Do you guys have time to do it? Is it? Oh.
Foundation's suffering. Linoleum.
I look skinny as hell in that mirror.
It's not 24 feet, that's for sure. Yeah, I think maybe it's 14 feet or 16 feet. It says probably 8 by 14. See it?
Mm-mm.
Great buster.
We just did the Coyote Valley Trail, and it was a really cute trail just through the valley. Trees around you, and we saw a herd of elk. The people before said they saw a moose. We did not, but still the elk was cool to see. It started raining on us. A really nice light June. It feels like a spring rain. You can hear it. But anyways, we're gonna start heading back. We're gonna not go to Grand Lake, which is kind of sad, but oh well. It's already 5 o'clock, so we're gonna start heading back on Trail Ridge Road. Maybe the rain will let up and we'll be able to see any stops that we didn't get to see on the way there. So we got a wild hair up our buttholes and decided to come see Stanley Hotel. We hadn't seen it at night. Hadn't done the maze at night. It's different. Next time we have to do the ghost tour, this is a reminder to me. Ghost tour, or even find a room here.
Absolutely.
That'd be great.
I don't know if we'll ever afford a room here.
And also have a drink at the
But we
bar.
can do the ghost tour and have a drink at the bar.
We just checked out of our hotel, but we didn't want our day to end, so we're here at Lake Estes Park, or Estes Lake Park, one of those, but it's beautiful, and it's a fucking phenomenal day. What you just witnessed is, I guess it's Sweatsville, even though it sounds gross. Let's call it Sweetsville. Sweetsville Zoo, which is a zoo of dinosaurs and aliens and all kinds of animals made out of scrap metal and car parts. This place was awesome. Weird roadside attraction, and it's free. Great, great place to sit in the shade too. There's a nice little spot in the river. You could have a picnic here.
And it's hardly out of the way. Like, it's right off of 25 if you're coming up that way.
It's a really cute place. We're in the cloud. This is where all my mom's photos are stored. I'm scared. Did you poop? Oh my god.
Ghost. Right? We hijacked one little story.